Hey everybody, it's John from Bolano Home over at Home Spot Professionals. I want to welcome you guys to 4 Andre Boulevard over in the Glendale area of Blvd Rhode Island. This home offers 2 bedrooms, 1 full bath, and approximately 1,200 square feet of space. Now, before we go any further, I do want to invite you guys to follow us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, like us on Instagram, and the whole 9. But I'm going to let Rhiannon Dumas, the listing agent, show you around this beautiful property and show you what it has to offer. So give me 2 seconds. I'm going to invite her a little bit in a different way. So,
hi, thank you, Jonathan. I'm Rhiannon Dumas from Bolano Home with Home Smart Professionals. Follow me around and I'm going to show you your new home. First, I want to show you this home offers an awesome 3-season porch, which is great to come out here and drink your morning cup of coffee or have some friends over for late night drinks. As for parents, it's great to have your kids out here doing some arts and crafts. Keep the mess outside the house, and we're gonna go walk through.
now welcome inside, and the first thing you're going to notice is going to be the kitchen dining room area. Now the kitchen's great because it has a lot of cooking space, has a lot of room to move around, but you can also have this beautiful little island so that way you can have the kids sit there as the adults sit at the dining room table. You can play your cards, you can play your games, you can entertain. Let's take a walk into the living room and see where all the fun really happens.
Welcome to the living room. Great space for families. Great spot to come, put your feet up after a long day of work and just relax. And we have a great sized bathroom with plenty of light and tons of space for your kids to splash around in the bathtub.
So now that we're finished on the first floor, I'm going to show you guys the bedrooms and show you what they have to offer. Come on, follow me. Now I'm going to show you the first bedroom right here. It is plenty of space for a guest room, for a kid's room, if you play around in here. And there's definitely a large walk-in closet with tons of room for like more things for the kids' clothes, for their toys and such. But go take a look at the master. Rhiannon's waiting there right now for you.
Here we have a large master bedroom, great for a California king size mattress. We have a lot of natural lighting and a big closet. Now we're going to finish our video outside, Bolano home style.
Rhiannon, not that one! That's the way it's supposed to be done. You're not supposed to, what? Seriously? People, he was recording that.
I'm sorry.
I mean, gosh. Oh, she was recording right now. Anyways, thank you guys for joining us. I apologize for that. It's just minor technical difficulties. But once again, thank you for joining us at, what's the address again?
4 Andre Boulevard in Glendale, Rhode Island.
And can you say it for one more time for the folks in the back, because that card just came by all rudely.
4 Andre Boulevard in Glendale, Rhode Island.
Awesome. And when are we going to be doing the first sets of showings?
We're going to be showing on Labor Day weekend.
Awesome. So definitely keep yourself aware that that's going to be happening. Let your agent know, let your family know. This is coming on market very, very soon. We look forward to seeing you guys here. And until next time, make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You know where to find us, you know what to do. See you guys later. Bye.